description.
And do you like people there? Do you like the teacher? What? You don't like the teacher? No. Do you like the grown-ups there? What?
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got this. This is the US version of the KPop Demon Hunters Cup. But it doesn't say hamburger or burger or personal burger hamburger. It just says Zoey on it and Shin Ramyun. So that's all you get here. You do not get one that has a special hamburger flavor as the other ones do. That one I'll review tomorrow because, I don't know, they've been really going all out to set me up with content, I guess, you know. But that's what's going on. Today is the 30th day of April, 2026. And yeah, now we're cooking. We're cooking. Cooking with gas. Cooking with gas. Actually, this is not a gas stove. I'm not a big fan of gas. People produce it. It causes explosions. It just doesn't seem like a good idea. So this one goes in the old microwave. It's a large microwave, so it's our macro wave. And I think it's 3 minutes. We'll see. There we go. This goes for, that's the wrong one. Maybe I'll show you both of them side by side. This one goes for 3 minutes. Alright. Back in a flash. Alright. Spicy bunger. Uh-oh. So I'll show you the Korean version versus the US version. It's not hard to line up, but I'm doing my best, ladies and gentlemen. I really am. There's the top and there's the bottom. Oh, the microwave is messing with my thing. So the bottom one is the Korean version, and the top one is the US version. So I don't know if this is gonna work out so well, but hopefully it does. The bottom one is bigger than the top one. No, the top one is bigger than the bottom one, I think. Yeah. So, this Korean one is hamburger flavor, and it was really good. The US version, is not Korean or hamburger flavor. It's just regular Shin. But I got all three of them. I did the other regular Shin one the other day, and I'm just like, might as well, you know. So I'll have one review of each. And then I should be getting the other two, which will be the Superstar Rumi, which has little star-shaped fish cake, and then the Spicy Queen, which just seems like it's a little bit spicier version of Shin. What I think is interesting is how they have like Uncle Sam hats on Zoey. I don't understand. Maybe that's part of the movie. I'll be honest. I've heard the movie a million times. I don't like it. I think it's like plays it being anime, but it seems like really jerky. The cartooning is just like and the storyline is like just a different version of Frozen, really. I mean, if you look at them objectively, it's the same crap. So, and it, of course, using that formula, it's doing really well. Conceal, don't feel. Hide your demonic powers. Same crap. Friendship and love wins the day, you know. But, yeah, the music's catchy. I'd rather listen to 21. But, you know, that's just me. Ow. Ow. But I won't be surprised if somebody watches this video. It'll just be like some like middle-aged dude just like flip out that I said that I wasn't a big fan of the film and that it's like Frozen. Like, not at all. You have no idea what you're talking about, dude. Oh yeah. You know, it's like, dude. All right, I'm glad you enjoy something in your life, but it's just something I find to be kind of like stupid and mediocre and I don't know. Everybody wants to be a fan. The bandwagon thing has really taken off in such a creepy way. Don't get on the bandwagon for just anything. I don't know why, but this one, the noodle seems a little bit better. There's the broth. It's your standard Shin. It's very mushroom forward. Three and a half. It's baseline Ramyun, folks. I'm sorry, but it's just Ramyun. It's like, I don't know. I've had Ramyun a million times, and this Ramyun just reminds me of like the baseline. I mean, granted, it's very popular. That's fine, and it's not bad. I mean, I would. The product is good on its own to a degree. It really needs doctored up, but I only review based on the base product. So, but I see potential. I've seen people put all sorts of crazy shit in Shin. Oh my god. What was it? Bacon and cheese? I actually did that with a variety that used to be out. My favorite Nongshim variety that ever existed. And then they pulled it. And it was called Jinja Jinja. And it was spicy. And it was porky. And it had a peanut element to it. It was truly exceptional stuff. And then they got rid of it. I was actually on a Korean show way back. I had to stay up all night so I could be on their live show. I think it was live. Called the Cultural Veranda Show. I'm going to use some of this on it too. And yeah, they were comedians, but they were the spokes guys for Jinja Jinja. So I think I got to talk to them. I can't remember. It's been a long time. I used to do so many interviews. I just got tapped to do an interview for a Netflix documentary kind of thing. So I guess we'll see if that pans out. A lot of them, you know, it kind of sucks, but the companies will be like, hey, we want to do an interview with you. Okay, well, they're not moving forward with the project. So if we ever need you again, it's like, I got all hyped up. Come on. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. There will be another show tomorrow, and that one will most certainly have the final of the Zoey line. And like I said, I'll have the other two soon. So, all right. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.